Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well and doing great. Here in this video, I am sharing one of the most demanding, very stylish, beautiful, very soft sort of designs of summer sandals with you people. Both flat and heel sandals are included here in this collection. Please watch the video till end without skipping so that you can go through all the designs. If you like these designs, please thumbs up for this video. And if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel for more such kind of beautiful, stylish, updated collections and new arrivals of footwears and dress designing. If you want to ask or suggest something, then you can use comment section for this purpose. I always appreciate your comment there and try my level best to reply. White cross strap slingback design looks so stylish and comfortable. I am sure that you love to see this collection, and if you are interested to buy any one pair out of this collection, then just go to description box where you will find the link of that site through which you can easily order and do shopping online, as this is the need of time too that all the people prefer to do shopping online, so all these pairs are available online. Polka dot sandals look so stylish and pretty. Two-tone sandals design is also hot favorite designs of this summer. Now sandals are designed with different type of accessories like pearls, beads and stones are attached on sandals to design such type of beautiful footwears. These designs are also available in markets all over the world very easily because these are in a fashion nowadays. Through these videos, not only you can take the designing ideas but also you can do shopping. In this collection you will find round toe, square toe, pointed toe and peep toes, all best design. Nowadays square and pointed toe sandals are also very popular beside round toe. Double sole sandal is one of the best design and very comfortable too. Peep toe style, slingback design, wedge style sandal is also best for office wear. These all comfortable designs are best designs for all age group ladies. Young ladies love to wear such type of beautiful designs at parties and different type of their outfits. And because of its comfortability, working ladies love to wear such type of footwears at workplace. They are so comfortable and soft that for longer period of time you will feel super comfort under these footwears. Printed heel looks so stylish and elegant. Polka dot sandals, floral printed sandals, animal prints like snakeskin, leopard and tiger prints are also used to design such type of beautiful branded sandals. Two-tone sandals are also hot favorite designs of footwears like color contrast in dresses. Designers are trying to introduce best color contrast in footwears too. All type of different straps like thin, medium and wide straps are used to design the footwears. Those who follow me right from the first day, they know very well I bring latest collections of dresses and footwears for you people. I am sure that you will admire this video too like previous collections. Back close, sling back open and zipper back. All best designs are included here in this collection. As far as slippers are concerned, they are all very comfortable and soft and very practical sorts of slippers, and such type of sandals are also very popular. Long heel design are very attractive and best for parties and formal occasions, and thick flat soles and flat soles wedge sandals are best for casual wear activities. I am sharing this beautiful collection with you people too, so that you also come to know about these all designs which are in fashion and according to your choice. Different type of wedge style, platform soles, slip resistant soles, slingback sandals and multi-strip sandals designs you will see here. Different types of very decent and beautiful designs of all those sandals, best perfect fit for your all outfits. This is one of the collection which is fit for your casual wear plus formal wear, especially office wear and party wear too. Very stylish and comfortable sandals designs you are enjoying here. Beautiful eye-catching colors and stunning type of designs are included here in this collection. The best feature of brown, black and white sandal footwear is that it is best perfect fit with all outfits. These designs are very practical and best for all type of outfits like jeans and different types of bottom designs. White cross strap slingback design is best design for casual wear. Double strap back open design is also very comfortable and best for all age group ladies. If you like such type of designs which are according to your taste also, then like my video and you will see different type of heels designs which are very popular all over the world among ladies. With the help of these collection you can get the ideas regarding these footwears, that which type of designs are in fashion and which sorts of designs are very popular, and when you see the style and comfortability blend, this is one of the best collection. I am sure that you love to see different types of low heel and mid heel designs, and this is one of the requested video. Basically, these are all dress sandals. Such types of sandals are best for creating unique type of style in your personality. Low heel designs are best for casual wear and long heel designs are best for formal occasions and parties. As these are very soft and comfortable, so these are perfect for all age group ladies. Slingback with chunky style of heels is one of the popular design. I am sure that you will also find one of the pair out of this collection which will be according to your choice. Different eye-catching colors and very comfortable and stylish type of those designs which you love to see are available here in this collection. Style, comfortability, simplicity and practicality, all best feature you will find here in this collection of different sorts of footwears. Peep toe style slingback design with chunky block heel is best designs for parties and functions. I hope you also love to see this collection. If you like these designs, please thumbs up for this collection, and if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too for getting notifications of new uploads. Please suggest me in comment box what designs you want to see more in my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself till the next collection. Allah Hafiz.